Inside High Court, and inside High Court, I am in front of Post Office High Court. With me, sir, what is your good?
Jain, NK Jain.
Sir, are you voting this time?
Yes, I am certainly voting this time. I always give my vote, and because this is such a valuable right, one must exercise. People, in India, people don't have that much value of the vote. But if you go to America or any other country, people they are striving hard to get the right to vote. And even there are people who are migrated to America, but still they don't have any right to vote. So this is very valuable right, and one can change. We are seeing every day there are a lot of efforts are going on the TV also. Every star is saying that you must exercise your vote, you must exercise your vote. So I think one must exercise. There must be awakening. There is a lot of awakening by the TV media also, by the media, that people must exercise this valuable right of vote.
Sir, what will be the issue in front of you while voting?
There are issues, different type of issues. These issues must be classified according to the category of persons. Suppose if there are 60-70 persons who are living in the colonies, so their main issue would be that they should have some dwelling house in their life. And the people who are living in sectors, they may not be having that issue. They will be interested there should be some development. And the for students, there will be issue that there should be IIM, some university, some higher education avenues. So I distribute voters in 5 categories. One is people living in slums. For them, dwelling house is the main issue. For students, the main issue would be the better education, IIM, IT and engineering college primarily. And for middle class people, there should be employment, that there should be more and more employment. And then there are another category of people, senior citizen. The government is already giving lot of facilities to the senior citizen, and they should also consider those senior citizens' demand, that they don't have much big demands, only safety and some cooperation, so like good amount of interest, social security and all that. And another category for women. For women, there should be a law and order. The woman would be interested that there should be law and order, and there's only thing, no incidents of change. Law and better administration. Although there is a very good administration, law enforcing agency, Chandigarh police is very active. They are doing to best of their ability. You see, no murders, nothing of any sort. As compared to other cities, people are within 1-2 minutes, police reaches at the spot. So these are the issues are according to the class of the people. There is no one particular issue that there should be dams and all that. No, nothing of any sort.
Very nice. Sir, my next question is, around 50% of Chandigarh voters are not taking part in Indian democracy. What, according to you, because you are the progressive citizen of Chandigarh, what will be the reasons behind this?
What I feel that the people who are living in slums, these candidates, they are very clever. They know instead of chasing one particular vote of one person who is living in sector, so better to catch hold of the votes who are living in colonies. It is very easy to catch hold of those votes than a vote of his educated man. And they have got different methods also for procuring those votes. Maybe by giving a allurement, maybe by one way or the other way, by giving false promises, and even by giving money also, and giving gifts, valuable gifts. And those people, they forget they feel that this is they are like God. So those people are coming forward to cast their vote, because then once they accept money, then there are people who give assurance that their vote will be definitely cast. And in living in sectors, people are comfort living. They feel it's why to go to cast vote. How does it matter in such a scorching heat, or if it is raining, or if it is they have got some good cricket match. If they have got a cricket match, then they will prefer to, suppose there is a match between India and Pakistan, nobody will come out, I tell you. So they will enjoy the match instead of giving vote.
Sir, now unplanned Chandigarh is governing planned Chandigarh. Because unplanned Chandigarh means slums is governing the planned Chandigarh means sector Chandigarh. Means voter of unplanned area Chandigarh is governing planned area of Chandigarh. So what solution you see as a advocate, as a senior citizen, as a progressive citizen of Chandigarh? How can things will be improved?
You know, things, one should not forget that 80% of our population is living in villages. And 80% votes, India's destiny is dependent on 80% votes who are living in villages. That is why the government sometimes give good price of food grains and all these things, and then they try to catch hold of those votes. So for slums, they should give the basic amenities. Before developing Chandigarh for introducing any mega project in Chandigarh, they should demarcate one proper line, that the areas that within another 10 kilometers of Chandigarh, there will be, say, about 50,000 houses for people, especially taking care of those people who are living in Chandigarh for the last 10 years and still they are living in slums. The government should think of maybe one-room house apartment or two-room apartment will serve their purpose for one family, and that too with by giving on easy interest, maybe and there should be some condition that neither it will be transferred in anybody's name, nor it will be mortgaged, nor it will be sold. There should be some strict conditions. So once the areas are developed, and then it will be very, very difficult for the candidates or for other people to give them allurement, because their basic necessity will be fulfilled. Then education. Only two things. One house should be provided in the slums. It will beautify the city also. Once you go in the colonies, you will see that it will give you a shabby look.
Worse than a Bihari.
Worse than a Bihari, yes. It gives a very bad look. So in order to have once we are saying city beautiful, you see the outer part of city that is worse than any other slum area. That is worse than any other area. So even even it is worse than any other area which you can imagine. So there you will find every sort of you can pick up number of persons like slumdog millionaire people. Not only one person. Yes. Yes, you will find there are a lot of people are living in mosquitoes. They no drinking water, nothing of any sort. They are living in juggies for years together. So, easily, this is the most lucrative thing which is available, and easily, and that too adulterated. That is injurious, which is dangerous to your life, even at a very cheap price. Those things are available. Even you will find 80% people from drug peddlers and all that. You will find these things only in these juggies. So I think, thank you.
Nice conversation. It's my privilege to talk.